Stone paint was born from a journey. No? During my travels in Japan, I saw something that really caught my eye. The beautiful granite finishes in the facade of the building, napakaganda niya, pero kung titignan mo logically, paano didikit ang granite na hindi ma-aksidente yung tao sa ilalim? What if this granite falls off, no? Using just an adhesive, and then what if it falls off? So, and then I tried to look at it closely. How did they bond this granite to the facade? When I looked at it closely, I saw this granite finish were made possible by something very simple. It was made of sand. Incredible. The natural beauty of sand and stone used in building facade. So I asked myself, how did they create this granite effect? I wanted to understand the process. How come wala dito sa Pilipinas, no? So meron sa iba, pero wala dito. So it excited me. Why not create this product for the Philippine market, so we can give again a variety of wall coverings for our consumers. So that's when I tried to meet with our R&D together with our product designer, with our architect. Can we do this kind of material? So at first we tried several tests. Unfortunately, the emulsion that we have cannot bind with the sand. It was something that we need to go through a process, trial and error, until we were able to find the right emulsion to bind with the sand. The next challenge was where to find the right kind of sand, because we need different type of sand, and then the consistency of sand. How can we blend it together to look like a granite? So it was quite challenging because we need to look for the right supplier who can give us consistent color. We realized that if we use natural sand, the problem was, since it's natural, so if this color of sand comes from this mountain and this color of sand comes from another mountain, then obviously the color of the sand will be different. And we cannot paint a building which has different shade of sand. So that was the challenge. We realized that we shouldn't be using the natural sand, but instead we should be using sintered sand. So what is sintered sand? So basically, sintered sand is artificial sand na pinainit ng mataas para makuha natin yung color na gusto natin. No? So probably most of you will ask, same thing that I also asked, tatagal ba yung sintered sand? So sintered sand can last up to 20 years or more. So medyo I was relieved na okay, so I think the sintered sand will do the trick. But the challenge right now is to find the right supplier who can give us consistent color for the sintered sand. And of course, the right blend of colors. You just imagine, no, designing a granite or a different type of design. It's not easy to blend different sizes of sand, different textures, and then different flakes to really make it look like a granite. So it was medyo difficult for the product designer to do it. So fortunately, after several months and years of perfecting this product, we were able to come up with Sinclair stone paint. So we're quite excited and quite happy releasing this product again, an innovation by Sinclair for the Philippine market, to have a sand and stone as your paint. And what is again a challenge for us was how to make it cleanable, meaning, syempre, this is textured. The tendency for rough surfaces is that it can gather dirt. So since sa Philippines medyo maalikabok, so there's a tendency na magkaroon ng dark streaks, no, because of the dirt and because of the rough surface. Thankfully, together with our partnership with BASF was able to give us a solution for this. And this product is called NanoShield. NanoShield is an inorganic, organic paint. So what it does is that these molecules covers the pigments to protect degradation from UV. No? And at the same time, it is super hydrophilic. So it gathers all the water during the rain and cleans the wall. Ayan, galing, no? So parang it's self-cleaning per se. So this solves our problem na having a rough finish with the beauty of sand and stone, and at the same time, it's self-cleaning paint. Some finishes are created by blending different materials. So, different sand, sizes of sand, meron ding stone, meron ding flakes, meron din konting glitters to make the effect na mukha siyang bato. Ayan. So, it is a stone finish that turns your wall into works of art. From the rich texture of stone to the refined details of every finish, stone paint brings the timeless elegance of nature right in your walls. Together, let us paint your masterpiece.